The majority of us have likely used Google at some point in our lives to search for different things. But I don't think that many of us are aware that we can use Google to earn a substantial amount of money online daily just by searching. Yes, you heard that right. Some or even many people use Google for random searches for which they receive no money for doing that. But just a small number of smart people are taking advantage of this Google trick right now and are making good amounts of money online from it. And you can use this method on your phone, your laptop or computer, and you can do it from anywhere in the world, including Nigerians. I will reveal the secrets by walking you through everything step by step to make it work for free. And by using this method I am about to share with you, you can earn a lot of money online from anywhere in the world for free without investing any money. This is an incredible simple method that you are going to enjoy. But before we get started with the video, welcome to Roladel Business, where our mission is to demonstrate the most straightforward approach to earning money online for you. If you found value in this video, please like it and consider subscribing to Roladel Business with the notification bell turned on. This will help us to notify you first when we upload a new money-making method on this channel, and you can be the first to use it and make the most money. And with that being said, let's start with the tutorial. Okay, now I will explain each and every step that I want you to follow along with me in this video. So, right after this video ends, you will be ready to go out there and start earning real money for yourself. So, all I want from you right now is to just pay close attention and follow the steps. And keep in mind that this is going to be really easy tutorial, since we will be using only like 3 websites, and the first one is just going to be google.com. I'm going to show you the second and third one in just a minute. This is the website that we will be using. If we combine it with Google and another website that nobody is taking advantage of, it will blow your mind how much money you can make online for free. But the thing is that you must keep watching, because if you just go over straight to the website and you try to figure it out on your own, you will not know what to do, because the sign-up process has gone through some changes. And also, I'm going to show you the website that makes everything possible at the end of this video. Be sure to watch the video to the end. I can assure you that this is a legitimate website because it has worked with some of the popular industries, including Facebook, Pepsi, Spotify, Microsoft, and much more. Now, I want you to pay attention, because I'm about to show you exactly how much money you could make with the website right now, just by looking at this list right here. There are so many opportunities to earn thousands of dollars if we keep scrolling down. As you can see from here, there are endless opportunities where you can use the tricks and make thousands of dollars over and over again for free. Take a look at how much money is there to be made. There's a lot of money to be made here, and you can take advantage of it right now. All you need is a simple Google tool and a website, which I will show you at the end. So stay tuned for instructions on how to create a free account to it. Now you will just need to sign up for an account. And how do you do that? On the homepage of this website, I want you to click on this button over here that says, I'm a problem solver. And after that, I want you to click on this button over here that says, login or sign up. Click on it and a pop-up window will appear where you can sign up for a free account. Click I don't have an account yet, and then fill out the registration form by entering your first name, last name, location, email, address, and password. After that, choose your birth date and gender. Now for the following skill categories, I strongly advise you to select above average on these 3 skills. For the next part, just answer. Why are you interested in using the website? Here you can say things like, I'm a good problem solver and want to have my voice on new products and technology, or something like this. Now for the next question, just type the industries you are interested in. And for the reference name and reference email address, you can put someone who can approve that you are a problem solver. If you don't know someone to approve you, you can use another email address that you have, or a temporary email you get online. And finally, make sure you read the terms and conditions and privacy policy and certify that you don't use plagiarized content. And after that, click on I'm not a robot and then click on the sign up button. Once you are done with the sign up process, you can log into your account, and right away, you can see that there are a ton of different projects and challenges that you can join, and through those, you can make a lot of money online from them all. As you can see here, there are many different categories that they offer, like computer science, food science, business, and even engineering, and much more. So, there is definitely going to be no shortage of money to be made on this website, since there are new questions and new projects and new challenges coming every single day for people like you. Now all you need is to choose the category you are interested in. I'm interested in the computer science category, so I selected that one, or you can choose any one you prefer. Once you choose the preferred category, the website will filter out the content and show you all the projects and challenges related to that specific category that you have chosen. All these projects and challenges will pay you the most money. For example, this project right here will pay you this much money, and all you have to do is go ahead and click on that link, and you'll be taken to a page where they'll ask you a question and you can simply write an answer, submit it, and you'll be paid for doing so. I know you may not know, so if you don't know the answer to the question or have difficulty providing winning-worthy answers, don't worry. I've got it covered because I will show a simple but effective method that will help you answer the question and make a sufficient amount of money online from this site. We can see that there are a lot of submissions and that people are getting paid for submitting an answer on this website, and you can do the same thing. To find the answer, go to the website and simply copy the question and then go to google.com. Paste the keyword and search for it. Now Google will help us find the correct answer to the question here. You should spend a bit more time to find the comprehensive answers. It will increase the chance of you being one of the winners. Once you find the answers, don't submit them to the website right away. First thing is to copy the answers which you found from searching on Google, go to the / website and paste your answers which you got from searching. Then this website changes them to a completely unique answer that nobody claims you haven't written. You can also try the different modes they offer, which gives you more flexibility over your content. You also increase and decrease the number of synonym words before submitting the answer. Again, you need one more too. Go to Google and search for Google Docs and click on the first result. This will then take you to this page where you can start a new document and start typing your answers or paste the content that we find from the search on Google. And make it unique using the Quit bot too. Once you have finished your answer, go ahead and click on the file. Then, download select PDF document as you download type. Click on this link to get it downloaded to your computer. Once that is completed, we can see how professional everything looks and how well suited it is to be submitted. This is how you can begin earning money online by utilizing this new Google trick. Keep in mind that there are a variety of different challenges and projects that you can join. As you saw, it was really easy and it took me less than 5 minutes to find the answer on Google just by searching. I found the answer in less than 5 to 10 minutes, and now I have a chance to win anywhere from $200 for absolutely free. That's it for this video. If you liked it and decide to try it out, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and share this video with a friend who might be interested in using this to make money from home as well. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. If you want more videos with different strategies, or you want to know the secret I used to make money online selling my services, click the first link in the description below. And with that said, if you enjoyed this video and want more like this, be sure to leave a thumbs up below in appreciation. As always, thanks for watching and see you all in another video. Bye for now.